Hey, this is gonna be a really practical, straight to the point guide on how you can actually be consistent at doing something. But yeah, I'm sorry, today I'm kind of feel like, not necessarily feeling that well, so I don't think the quality of this video is going to be that good. Got some headache, just drank my headache medicine, and also I've got some group assignment project on 8 p.m. Literally like 5 minutes from now. But anyways, this is February 15th, 2025, and this is gonna be day 222 of consistently helping people build consistency. So the thing that we wanted to be doing here is to identify the problems why we cannot be consistent at doing something. I don't know about you, right? But I think for most people, one of the biggest problem why we cannot be consistent at doing something is that we don't know when are we going to be doing that thing, right? Because people just keep on telling us, oh yeah, I'm gonna be doing some exercise every single day, but they never mention when are they gonna be doing it. Like the thing that's going to happen here, big chances, is something like this. We say to ourselves in our heads, oh yeah, I'm gonna be doing this thing on the morning, right? And then on the morning we say to ourselves, oh, you know what, I'm still pretty sleepy. Let me just do this thing, after school, after college. And after college comes, we say to ourselves, oh, you know what, I need to relax a bit. Then we scroll some TikTok, scroll some Instagram for hours and hours. We just say, "Oh, let's say I'm just gonna be doing it after dinner." And then after dinner comes, we say to ourselves, "Oh, you know what? I still need to do other things. I'm just gonna be doing it tomorrow," and so on and so on. So notice that this is a big problem, right? Okay, so I'm not going to give you guys some motivational stuff about, oh yeah, do this thing, blah blah blah, every single day. Because even if it might work today, you know 10, 20 days again, it's not going to like necessarily work, because motivation comes and goes, okay, feelings comes and goes. So I'm just going to be giving you guys a really practical way on how to actually solve this problem. So here's the thing: set on an alarm on our phone, right, on a specific time of the day. I suggest it on the morning, right? Because on the morning, relatively, we don't really have that much thing to do. I don't know about you, right? But yeah, before school starts, before college starts, do that thing that you wanted to be doing. Maybe set it at 5 a.m. or maybe like 5:30 a.m. I don't know. And the thing here is that we're gonna change the alarm tone. Okay, so this alarm is going to be our sign to do our thing, and we are gonna change the alarm tone, not into like, we don't want to just hear some beep 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 beep. We are going to change it into some motivational song or some motivational speech. Okay, maybe like our favorite motivational speech. Just use that as the alarm tone, right? So every single time the alarm rings, it's gonna play the song, play the motivational song, play the motivational speech. So this way, even on the days when we are not feeling motivated to actually do the thing, we want to procrastinate and stuff, the probability of us actually still doing the thing is gonna be higher, because the song and the speech is gonna trigger something in our brain to actually still do the thing, right? I'm not saying that we are gonna be doing the thing 100% of the time, every single time we listen to the song, listen to the speech, right? But the probability is gonna be higher, right? So yeah, I'm extremely exhausted and feeling dizzy. Yeah, hope you guys learn something from this video. The authenticity post for this video. Memes are posted a Cybertruck meme on 15th February 2025.